Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am out in the middle of nowhere. Where am I? I am in a little town called Aylmer. Aylmer? It's kind of, I was in Tilsonburg on my way to St. Thomas, and I guess as you're going across the back roads, you come through this little town. I saw a population sign of like 7,000 people. Very small town. And they have this Esso station here, and they were on the, well, you can't really see us, we're right at the side of the sign there, but they're advertising a touchless car wash. So I thought, well, when am I ever going to be in this area again? I might as well review it. And since it's Wednesday today, and I try and post a new video every weekend, I haven't done one yet for this coming Saturday, so the timing is good here. I picked up, got the luxury wash. With a gas purchase, it was $9.99, so price is good. And all I know is that it's a touchless system, so I don't know what system it is. The van is dirty. As you can see, it's actually kind of spitting a little bit outside, light little mist. So the roads have been wet the last couple of days, so it's gotten the van dirty. Yeah, they can give me a wash code 12073. Alright, I'll remember that. So let's get out, have a quick look at this van, and we'll go through. Check this out. So yeah, as you can see, it's dirty. Not as dirty as the last time. The back's pretty dirty. It's just like a light dirt over the whole van, nothing heavy. But definitely enough for us to notice, to see how good of a job this wash does. Oh. Alright. Get my seatbelt on so we don't hear that dinging sound. Back up here. Alright. Here we go. Oh, somebody's just going in now. Oh, look at this. Get your car wash every day of the month for $39.99 per month. Huh, that's something new. So, what is that, $1 or something a day? Oh, look at this. I got another advertisement. Snack and wash every Saturday and Sunday. Interior and exterior wash. Well, I wonder if that's why they built this little covered hut. I wonder if that's where they... That's interesting. Never seen that before. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. You can pause the video if you want, so you can read it. Alright, so somebody just went in. For best results, please remove breakdown bird droppings, tree sap, road before entering. Thank you. Huh. It's kind of a neat code reader. I haven't seen one like that in a long time. Looks old. Alright, well, I will pause this video and I'll start it back up and we're good to go in. Alright, so I just heard the dryers kick in. Oh, it looks like they're getting ready to leave. We'll put our code in. It is 12073. Please wait. Please wait. Wash in use. Drive in. Best wait for the door to go up. And the unveiling. What do we have? Ryko system. I can see the word Ryko. Go nice and slow here. Not sure if they got anything. Oh, they got. Oh yeah, there's a little side blasters down there. Whoop. Turn off my wipers. Yeah, it's a Ryko of some sort. Alrighty. Wheel scrub. Huh. Where's the wheel scrub? I don't know. Does this thing have a wheel scrub? I don't see a wheel scrub. Coming around the side here. Now seeing applying pre-soak. I think we skipped the wheel scrub. I don't think this system has one. I don't know if this is just an old, like some type of Ryko radius, maybe, or... This arm moves pretty quick. At least it did two passes of the pre-soak. That definitely helped. I'm so used to the Ryko radiuses having a different, that kind of drop-down dryer system. Oh, look, one of the sprayer nozzles isn't working. Pressure seems good though. Yeah, there's that one nozzle up on that 45 degree area there that's not no water's coming out of it. Tricolor foaming wax. Ooh, okay. Seen better coverage on that. That's pretty weak. Wow. Super polish. old system. Even these dryers look old. Geez, they seem pretty strong though. They were loud. They were pretty strong. Alright, I'm just gonna go over here somewhere where I can get out. I'm not gonna really be able to tell the dryers much because it's kind of spitting the rain out here. Alright, let's have a look. We got parking on the side of the street here. I think it did a good job, to be honest, without even looking here. Yeah, you know, it looks pretty good. Left some soap. Well, is that soap or is it just water? The dryers are strong, but yeah, the back is a little dirty. But then it didn't apply the soap to the back. Or, like, the arm didn't really come around that good and cover the back. Same with the trifoam was really weak. Alright. I'll give you my thoughts here. You have to let me know what system this is. Obviously it's a Rayco, but I don't know if it's a Rayco Radius or what. But let me know. It's definitely an old system. It's been there a while, you can tell. Pre-soak was decent. It did 2 passes on that. Trifoam was not that good. I didn't like how I didn't get really any coverage at the back of the vehicle, and it shows. That's really where the dirt has been left, is at the very back. The sides and front and all that seem to do a decent job. Dryers are really strong, but I don't know if it did all that good or not. I'm not sure. Could be because the vehicle's so big. What saved this system to me is the high pressure rinse. You notice how fast those arms were going around with the trifoam and the pre-soak, but on the high pressure rinse, the arms slowed right down, and it seemed quite powerful. So I think that's what saved this system and was able to get the majority of the dirt off this van, was that. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I mean, it's pretty inexpensive wash. $9.99 I think is the price is good. Just needs just some minor tweaks. Like I said, the trifoam could be better. That's the main thing, I guess. But yeah, let me know what you think, and yeah, let me know what system this is. Hope you enjoyed it. Haven't done one of these in a while. Whatever, so even a Rayco in general, I don't think I've done in a while. So it's kind of good to do that. And yeah, this is in Aylmer, Aylmer. Yeah, it's on I think the address is 110 Talbot Street West. So anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm going to take a picture of this right now and put it on Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, and you'll know, like I said, today is Wednesday. You'll know right away that I did this review, and because I won't be posting it till either Saturday or Sunday this weekend. All right, take care, everyone. Be well, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye.